A-Tec was in business in the late 80s. We came into business. I believe it was 80, I believe 86 and we've developed into the Chicagoland area. We've grown to basically a 8 station company right now in the greater Chicagoland area. We wanted to know in real time what actually happened with some of these accidents, as we've had, we have the cruise version, you have the other driver's version, and then you have the police report, of course. And putting all those together, we were lacking something. We didn't know what happened, and some of these accidents were not witnessed. And that was our big question. What happened here? How fast were they going? What were the conditions? Did they accelerate hard, brake hard? What were they doing? Were they distracted? And not only does the video provide outside, but it provides inside the driver's reactions too, which are very important to see. The first total system we've used that includes the outward camera, inward camera, sound, braking, acceleration, all of those algorithms into one. Your system also highlights the driver. It puts a box around the driver, is looking at the driver, where you can actually enlarge it and see exactly where the driver is looking and what their behaviors are to, responding to other vehicles. So it's actually a learning tool, not only for us, but for our crews as well. They can see some of the things that they're doing wrong and not doing right. One of the things we wanted to use this system for is a safe driving award for the whole year. Taking into account the Drive Star system, where we, put something positive in that they did, and that which has been avoiding accidents, increasing following distance, overall safe driving that we've seen. And of course, enhancing the defensive driving. When they do something defensive to avoid an accident, we've Drive Starred that into their file. And we'd like to kind of develop that into a system where we reward them throughout the whole year. There's an overall sense of safer driving in the company.